Welcome to Forestry Power. Risky logging truck adventures, dangerous terrain, and dramatic rescues. Have you ever wondered what it takes to drive a logging truck through some of the most dangerous terrains on the planet? Today, we're diving headfirst into jaw-dropping rescues and heart-pounding adventures that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Picture this. Massive logs, treacherous swamps, and drivers who are nothing short of heroes. Buckle up, because this isn't just a job, it's a high-stakes game of survival. Today, we'll meet incredible drivers who face nature's fiercest challenges, from the sweltering heat to the freezing cold. These men and women put their skills to the ultimate test. What drives them? Is it the thrill of adventure or the sheer love of the land? Let's find out. Imagine this, a colossal log, so massive it seems impossible to haul. While most would back down, our skilled drivers thrive on challenges. Their finesse and creativity transform obstacles into opportunities. Every setback is a lesson learned. Will they succeed, or will nature show them who's boss? Next, we venture into the murky depths of a swamp. Here, rescuing a Shantuay bulldozer isn't just a task. It's a battle against nature itself. As the vehicle sinks deeper, the stakes rise. It's a testament to human spirit and resilience. Can our driver muster the courage to face this daunting challenge? Stay tuned. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the Tatra truck navigating a narrow ditch. At first glance, it seems like a straightforward test. But as the truck struggles, we witness the raw power of machinery and the ingenuity of its operator. Will the rescue turn this failure into a heroic moment? You won't want to miss this. Back in the logging world, the John Deere 1110E becomes trapped in a mud pit. This isn't just a mishap. It's a stark reminder of the risks involved in timber harvesting. Here, expertise meets unpredictable challenges. What will it take to get it out? Sometimes, it's not about pushing harder but knowing when to stop. Can our driver cross a precarious river bridge? The tension builds as he navigates this high-stakes gamble. With one chance to succeed, the pressure mounts. Will he emerge victorious or face disaster? This moment could change everything. Now we shift focus to hauling those massive logs. It's not just about power. Precision is key. Each miscalculation could lead to chaos. As the driver maneuvers through steep cliffs and hidden dangers, we witness true courage. Will they achieve their goal, or will nature intervene? Unity is strength, but so is having the right equipment. Our driver faces a dilemma. Push through with inadequate tools or strategize for success. Sometimes, resilience means making tough choices. What's the best path forward? Let's find out together. Our journey continues with the John Deere 1510G, stuck deep in the mud. Yet, the spirit of the workers shines through. Each rescue is costly, but it's their determination that counts. What lessons lie within these struggles? Let's keep pushing forward. As we witness powerful off-road vehicles battling a majestic river, it's more than just strength. It's a tribute to teamwork. These rugged drivers are like warriors in a field of glory. What drives them to take these risks? The camaraderie is palpable. Is that the K701, usually known as the hero? Today, it's stuck. Even the strongest machines face challenges. What does this tell us about resilience? Sometimes, it's our failures that teach us the most valuable lessons. Pulling firewood with a 1975 T74 tractor shows us innovation at its best. Can a wooden trailer perform in the mud? This creative approach proves that thinking outside the box is essential in logging. What challenges lie ahead? Let's keep watching. Now, the LKT-81 timber tractor effortlessly hauls the Lyric 3T cable car. With its powerful engine, it conquers every obstacle with grace. How does this machine optimize performance in such harsh conditions? excitement builds as we uncover its secrets. Powerful machinery is essential, but the human spirit is what truly drives success. As we navigate sharp turns and dangerous slopes, it's the skill and determination of the driver that shines through. Can they overcome the ultimate test? The tension escalates. As the John Deere 1110D battles muddy conditions, it showcases raw power and ingenuity. Every leap through the mud is a testament to the driver's skill. Will they conquer the final challenge? The stakes have never been higher. As we wrap up this thrilling adventure through risky logging truck escapades, remember,
Kata,不打字。打车，过来吃。
Every challenge faced is a lesson learned. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.
我倒着叫。
For those craving more forestry action, check out our next video, The Forestry Power, where we dive deeper into the world of timber and resilience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.